Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of the Polygon Matic. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Polygon. So guys, now at this time, if you look the currently live price of the Polygon Matic 1.64 USD dollar, that is the currently live price of the Polygon. In other side, if you talk about the price changes over in the Polygon, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes over in the Polygon Matic is positive 24.08% positive changes over in the Polygon. So now if we look the changes update of the Polygon, so I think in the September the Polygon is also going good, because you can see the last 1 week and today is 7 September. So this means from the 1st September the price of Polygon start pumping. If you look the latest changes, so the last 1 hour, I mean last 60-minute changes of the Polygon is also positive. So Polygon is also going good in the market. Other side, if you look the price chart of the Polygon, so you can see here absolutely now already sometime the price jumps, but if you look the latest situation at this time, so the price is in the pumping mode guys, and positive 40.06% changes occur in the Polygon. In 1.78 USD dollar is the highest price of the Polygon in the last 1 month. So guys, what do you think about Polygon Matic future? Is it a safe future of Polygon or not? What do you think? What is your prediction about Polygon? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.